I got another bird bath going on here. What's he doing? You know what? I can punch him right in the balls. Oh, now he moves. Well, that's how you get it. That's how you get him to stop swimming. Alright guys, as you can see, I've got some metal armor now, and I tried to make some videos. I was trying to find a carnosaur to tame, and that just all went bad. I've tried several times, couple times. Every time I found a carnosaur, he was already in a fight with something, and by the time I was able to tranquilize him, he would get killed. So then I looked around some more and I couldn't find any, and I finally went all the way down to the obelisk, the far east obelisk, and then my pteranodon, my bird, got killed by bugs while I was off fighting something. A bug killed it because I had it on set on passive. So I'm going to show you a clip. I just tamed a new pteranodon. I named him Terry. He's got purple wings and an orange and green striped body. And I tamed this guy, this dodo here. I named him Dummy. He's level 86, and I'm going to see how high level I can get this guy. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've had to tame a new bird, and it just went bad. I was way across the map, and my bird died, and I had to walk back, and yeah, it really sucked. So I've got some video footage from that. I'm going to edit it down just to the interesting parts and kind of just give you an update. I'm not sure how much video that's going to give me after I edit out the boring stuff, but just want to give you an update what's been going on and why I haven't made a video in a while. It's just all the videos I tried to make kind of went bad. So, and there's supposed to be a new dragonflies in the game finally. I haven't seen it yet though, so we'll try to get some video of that sooner or later. Alright guys, there. I don't want to land right there. Oh, there's a raptor. Bugs. Man, this is a dangerous spot and I'm running low on maybe up here. Well, this will have to do because I need to. Oh, there's the bugs. Man, they're killing them. Shit. These bugs are going to make it hard. Now I wish I would have walked all the way over here. And this guy's poisoned. I'm not sure what that means, but can we safely land here? Oh! Let me force some food in him real quick. Oh, he's out of food. Ah! Where the hell are they? Fuck. There goes my fucking bird. Damn it. Well, that sucked. Here's the replacement bird I got. Look how close he was to drowning. I've already tried to tame tried to trank a few, and they fell in the water and drowned. This guy was that close. But he's a real cool orange with purple wings though. That's pretty neat.